Alright, hey everyone. I'm sorry if I'm talking really low. It's just I just got over a cold, so yeah, life's amazing. Yeah, very amazing. So I just wanted to record. I don't know why, but I just did. So I hope your day is going okay. Mine is, I guess. I don't really know, but yeah, I hope your guys' day is going okay. I don't really know what to say because it's just a random video, but if we could go check out my photo on MSP, it's the rare week that's coming, so there's gonna be TT, which I'm really excited about. But what's shocking is that there's gonna be Goldie, which I never knew that would be in shops, but okay, MSP. So, yeah. I don't even know what to do anymore. Don't forget to hit me up because I'm really hot. So, I just also want to say I miss Carson. I haven't seen him in I don't know how long, but I miss him. But yes, okay. Well, this is the end of the video. And I also want to give a shout out to these two girls, Joanna and Izzy. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to them. Their YouTube will be in the link down below. Hopefully. Wow, I sound like a YouTuber. I don't know. Alright, well, okay guys, I'll see you later.